The New Market Wizard by Jack D.S. Okay, traders, why this book is so important? For me, the most important reason was to cover one question: what works, what doesn't work in the financial market? Am I going to trade Forex, stocks, commodities, indices all together, crypto, day trader, swing trader, mechanical, buy something from somebody to give me that edge that I'm looking for, create my own algorithms, create this questionnaire, fundamentals, pure technical? So what does work, what doesn't work? So this book will give you the answer for all that. Okay, what I have learned myself from this book? The most important lesson I have learned from this book is that everything works. I've been said this many times, and you can see that depends of the trader, depends of the psychology of the trader, depends of your personality. Some things will work for you, some things will not work for you, and you will. The most important thing in this book is to see the top traders, very top traders. That you will see how they're talking about their strategies and how they actually work for them, and they are from fundamentals, mechanicals, no mechanicals, indices, forex, options, whatever you want is actually there for you to understand the type of instruments that you can actually working on. You will understand through the book and 17 of the main interviews on this book. You will understand that everything works if you actually have the right instruments or the right tools for you and your personality. One of the things I have found that I thought I was crazy to working Monday to Sunday, which I don't consider the working because I like it. Right now I'm just recording this video and it's Sunday. Pretty much those guys, all of them, there's no one of them is not. They're working all the time. So they're working very hard, which they don't consider very hard working. They don't know even how many hours they spend to actually to working on the market. They do their jobs constantly. They do have their plannings, they go their logic, they understand the market, they control themselves, they understand the behavior of the market. And one of the most important parts of this book that really actually found it quite interesting is that they do have my own strategy, how you can actually eliminate some psychological problems that actually they make you to be a non-successful trader. So I have these techniques on my module 9 for psychology advanced, but it's actually been mentioned on this book, which actually I found quite interesting that is there as well, that is talking about on the last part of the book, they're talking about psychology. And the last part of the book, there is 42 main lessons you will learn from this book. I would strongly recommend that you go one by one. So for all that said, is that I strongly recommend this book. See you in the next one, see you in the next book. It was amazing experience with this one. I really enjoy. So I will continue to give you more ideas of new books and new deepening understanding on the market, financial market. So by now, thank you very much. I'll see you now.